Welcome to Psychic Healing by Swabi, and I'm here with the predictions and guidance for 2025 for Scorpio. So, what sort of energy is coming in for you, Scorpio? Tarot says the devil, justice, temperance. So, it's about new beginnings, pending outcomes, justice, or results, along with clarity in decision making. Let's decode this message in detail for you. So it's new beginnings plus conflicts, could be conflicts with your partner, colleague, or someone around you in the family, which will end up taking you to positivity and opportunity or hope in your life. It's completely your call whether you'd like to free yourself from the things that are restricting you or not letting you move on, shine. It could also be possible that you feel that you're stuck with someone. However, the universe says that it's up to you how you would like to pursue it. The keys are certainly with you to resolve the same. Number 2, harmony is coming your way. If you're waiting for any legal matters to resolve or any pending outcomes in your life, it will happen now. Remember, it can also be karmic. If you feel why you're stuck in the situation and you really want to come out of it, eventually the outcome is going to be in your favor. However, long-term basis, you need to open your mind and soul to accept the way it is. It might also be possible that if you're a female, you can take some strong decisions, like if a male then a female around you, or vice versa, will be taking decisions on your behalf. You will be gaining clarity in decision making, whether it's thinking emotionally or logically. Your mind will be confused in certain situations in terms of which way to go, but the universe tells you whatever goal you have in your mind, it's already yours. You will reach there no matter which way you choose. Your inner strength and inner belief is the most important thing. When it comes to your heart, listen to it. It's authentic and it'll work out in your favor. Now, what does the Akashic tells you? It says some disruption in a relationship could happen, like majorly with a male friend or a partner or colleague or family member. I remember telling you the same in tarot, the same sort of energy is coming in there also. Although this emotional upheaval may seem overwhelming, don't let yourself get swept away. With every ending, there comes a potential for new beginning. So this could also be some old love that you're unable to release. If so, it's time to finally let go of the attachment and open your life to new and better things to come. When referring to you, like if you're a female, like if you're a male, this could signify that your role as a father or husband is greatly diminished. If you have a deep pattern of self-negation, then it's time for you to create a truly caring relationship with yourself. You have the power to calm your heart, look at the things clearly, and take control of your perception of yourself and your life. Remember, this year could be a very creative period for you. Take action in creative projects or work related endeavors that require more time and attention. The work you do now could yield you greater rewards later. Make sure you engage in this activity with a lot of hope, joy, and optimism. You're always planting your energy, into the Akashic records of your life. So you work towards your goal. Remember to plant hope and happiness along with the actions you take.